Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to Tea Time. In this video, I'll be going out to TJ Maxx, Ross, and Target to pick up a few things, hopefully. Stay tuned to see what all I pick up.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Alright y'all, I am home from my house decor shopping for today. Just wanted to come on and show you guys what all I picked up. I'm kind of just going to go around the room and just show you what I have. I'm going to start right here. I am in the process of redoing my pantry and refrigerator, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be like an organizational type video, but I picked some more of these little shelf organizers up, and then 2 turntables. So these were $3.99 at TJ Maxx, which I was surprised that they were so cheap, and surprised that I even found these there because I was going to order these from Amazon. But anyway, they are $3.99. Here are the dimensions, and this is what it looks like. And I picked up 2 of those. And then the turntables, you can see they are pretty nice. I'm going to put these in my refrigerator, and these were $6.99 at TJ Maxx. And these, that's the dimensions right there. So it's gonna go pretty good in the refrigerator to keep all those condiments together. And then here is my other stuff that I have. I did a online order, that's why these are wrapped in brown paper, but I think they ran out when they got to the last 2. But anyway, I ordered some baskets to go in my pantry on the floor to kind of keep the overflow items neat and nice looking. So these are the threshold baskets from Target, and it's the 14¼ inch by 13 by 11. And these are actually on sale right now for $18 online. I'm not sure about the in-store price, but I saw the online price and it just said online next to the price, so I figured it was just online only. So I went on and ordered those, and I have 8 of those. And just FYI, if you need a Target red card, you don't have one, or whatever the case may be, you just want one, you can apply for a Target red card from now till December the 26th. And when the card comes, you will get a 40 off of 40 coupon, which is what I used on these. So that was a good little discount there. So I will put the link to the baskets and everything in the description box if you are interested in that. All right, so moving on to this basket right here. This is a pretty sizable basket, but I got it for my throw blankets in my living room. And this was found at TJ Maxx for $29.99. And you can see how big it is. It's a pretty good sized basket, and I'll put this one next to it so you can kind of see the size. It's pretty deep, and it's like hard and sturdy. It's not like one that's going to collapse on you. So that was a good find, and I was really looking for one that was like gray toned, and I'm happy that I found that. So it's going to match and look pretty good. Okay, and also from TJ Maxx, I found these nightstands, which I was not even looking for, but I was looking for something else and ended up spotting these. But these are gonna go in my black and gold room, And initially I was gonna get like a mirrored end table with a gold base to it that had no storage or anything like that. So I was going to get those, but then I thought about it, because the bed that I have, the feet on the bed can come off, and I have the gold ones on it right now, but they can come off and I can put the silver ones on. So just in case I decide to switch up the room, all I have to do is change the feet on the bed and then get some new hardware here and then get new accessories without having to buy new end tables or anything like that. So I thought that that was a good trade or a good idea. And these have the outlets on the back, so you plug it in, but then you can plug your lamp there and then your cell phone's there. And that's the back of it. This is the front of it. And it seems to be, it is solid wood. It don't seem to be, it is solid wood, which is a good find. And this price was amazing. $60 each. So I thought that was a really good find at TJ Maxx. All right, and that is everything that I found at TJ Maxx. So I'm going to move on to what I found at Ross, and that will be it. All right, this rug right here, which is a 7 by 9 by 9.96, and well, a 7.9 by a 9.6, and this is the design of it. This is what I fell in love with. That other rug, the cream color rug, in my other video, I took it back, swapped it out to get this one because I like this one better, and this one is going to go in the master. And this one was $99.99 or $100. Alright, so that's that rug. I have been hitting a jackpot with rugs at Ross, which is a good thing, just in case I need to take it back because I don't like it. It's easy to take back. I don't have to ship it. Just roll it back up and take it back. So that was a good find. And then my last two finds at Ross. The first one is these vases right here, and I have two of those, and these are pretty good size. And the price, they were $12.99 each. And then last but not least is this picture right here, which I love. You guys saw my other picture in my other video. I'm going to move that one and put this one in the place of it. I have another spot for that other picture. But anyway, it's so pretty. This camera does not do it justice, but it's so pretty. And here are the colors. It's a nice compliment to the rug over there. And you can see the detailing in it. So pretty. And this picture was $70. Alright, so that is everything that I picked up on my decor haul from yesterday and today. So if you guys have any questions about anything that you've seen in this video, please post them below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and this will probably be my last video before Christmas. So I wish everyone a Merry Christmas, and I will see you after Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching.
We'll be chilling and having a good time.